got a nice box here from Kratos Magnetics. Nice little tape there. Get over here, Deb.
Paper.
Got some rope. We got Kratos stickers.
Why is that so heavy?
A couple of Kratos Magnetics keychains. What?
What the hell? That's in,
What is that, Zan?
that's online magnet.
It's not. It's Kratos.
No.
Oops. Got that phone.
Still technically 360. What is that one?
That
2500?
is 2,400 pounds.
Clean
Not
magnet.
tight yet, but whoa, 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 whoa. Wind.
I'll hold it for now on.
2,400 pound clamp magnet from Kratos Magnetics.
It's big.
There's a Kratos 2400 there. So you see what's in that box?
It's a clamp magnet.
There's a 2,400 pound clamp magnet in there.
Okay.
That other kit that's sitting in there
Okay.
is going to be a free giveaway. Because guess what? Now we joined their team. Welcome to Team Kratos.
Oh. Okay then. That's a shock.
We got ourselves stuff. We got ourselves a long pipe, short pipe. That looks like a table leg. Got yourself a old square nail.
I got
Button.
button for pants. They'll come off. Got a button. Good way.
Yeah, it is. Whoa. Yeah, oh, gumball machine.
Another one. I think I found the.
I think you found the top of the gumball machine.
Yeah, I got my top. It's not even.
Slow and easy, boys. Slow and easy.
There we go. I told you we should come back.
There's the top of his gumball
It's not even
machine.
magnetic. It's not even magnetic.
You just caught it through the
Yes.
this right angle. Flip it up. It's the top. It's the top of the gumball machine.
That's the bottom, but. That's
Sorry
the top.
about the wind noise, people. It's a really windy day today.
It's not even magnetic. That's luck. Hey, there's the handle to it too. On there. There's some glass still on it. Clean that up and then put it on top of my gumball machine. So that's two now. I told you I'm gonna find it.
Pretty good for the second throw.
I know. I said I felt something stick like on, but no, it wasn't sticking on. It was
Maybe I can find a buddy for my other one I got down there. we have a bunch of stuff. Got some big wire. Some big threaded stuff. Got more clams.
Clam, 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 clam,
Clam,
clam, clam, clam.
Just pulled out some clammy clams and a big old piece of
Look, a little clammy
sea
thing.
channel, along with some fishing line. I can play the clams.
Don't be so clammy. Scrap piece of metal. Scrap. And some glass.
Yeah, get up to, is it blue glass?
Yep. Blue glass. Why?
Cool.
Not
Get
bad.
the glass with a magnet.
You know, it looks more green than blue, but. And then I got part of a bike. So there might be another bike down there.
Got some more rusty pipes. Oh, the other one is solid. Solid piece of steel.
Sharp.
It's more big rusty metals.
I can do it. Just pulled this up. Don't know what's underneath it. It's heavy.
Where are you going after? Well, we got another big spike. I think it's as old as my other one I found. Good size. Square nail. Bunch more rusty bits. Oh, hey. Got ourselves a Napa United money clip with a, looks like a knife built into it on both sides. Cool. Too bad there's no money in it. Woohoo. Now what's left of the bike? Pulled out. Metal with metal stuck to it. Got a Michelob ultralight. Some big round steel. Just pulled these out. Someone has a bunch of washers and nuts on a string. We've got a homemade weight. Big bolt. Okay, we're still down the 6th Street Bridge. I'm going to throw out the new Kratos 2,400-pound clamp magnet that they're so kindly to send me. Let's try this big bad boy out. Yeah, we got a couple rusty chunks this time. Got yourself a piece of steel. Got yourself some kind of a strap. Just pulled up. A bunch more nails. Both sides. Pulled up, there's the wire, more nails, more rusty chunks. Okay, just got something heavy latched on. Oh, yeah. Whew. Somebody's cell phone charger. And whatever this is, if anybody knows what that is, leave a comment down below. Looks like a charger. It used to hold the phone too. Was that other item? It looks like it broke off something. Just pulled out. Big giant pipe. So far, bunch of nails. Some kind of twisted metal.